Skewness of Bowles, okay, or Bowles coefficient of skewness. Here in this formula, the formula is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. Means Q3 means upper quartile, Q1 means lower quartile. Median is median. Actually, we have how we can calculate these formulas of median and Q3 is changed according to series, individual series, discrete series. The calculation will be changed of these formulas. They like individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. So we have to use according to the series these formulas. Now let's see the question. The question calculate okay, illustration example. Calculate coefficient of quartile deviation and Bowles coefficient of skewness from the following data. Profits and number of companies given below means the difference is 10. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 above means 10, take 10 extra, 50 to 60. Because difference is 10. Number of companies is 5, 12, 20, 16, 5, 2. Its fluctuation means it's a frequency but not CF. Okay, so let's start the question. Let's what we have to written. Okay, let's write first SKP formula, skewness of Bowles, SKB, skewness of Bowles formula. Skewness of Bowles formula is Q3 minus Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. Now let's start the solution. First write x. X below means 10 difference. That's why below means 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Now F 5, 12, 20, 16, 5, 2. Then CF 5, 17, 37, then 53, then 58. Add this 558, then add to 60. So overall number of frequencies how much? This is known as n. Number of frequency is 60. So first we have to calculate median. What is the formula for median? N plus 1, n divided by 2, and formula is L plus n divided by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. Okay, we have to write here. Okay, n by 2, n how much? Here 60 divided by 2 means 30 is done. Where 30 coming? ये कहाँ पे रहा? Where is the 30? Is coming in 37 because 17 is small, so it's coming in 37 means this line. Okay, so it will become L means lowest frequency. Frequency is a F. This frequency is 20. CF means cumulative frequency before. ये जिस लाइन में आ रहा है उससे पहले वाली लाइन, before the line. Okay. C means class interval is 10. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 means difference is 10. So n by 2 right here. N by 2 is 30. CF is how much? CF here 17. And F is 20. L also 20. C is 10. Now substitute in formula. L is how much? 20 plus n by 2 is 30. CF is 17. The frequency is 20 into difference how much? 10. This is 20 plus 30 minus 17 is 13 divided by 20 into 10. This is 20 plus, you can multiply first this one, so you can get 130 divided by 20. So keep remain 20 same. 20 plus 130 divided by 20. 6.5 5. 26.5 is the answer for median. Now let's calculate the Q1. With this we have to calculate the Q1. For Q1 what we required, Q1 means lower quartile. N divided by 4, quartile is 4, so that's why n how much? 60 divided by 4 means 15 is the answer. So where is 15 come in CF? It's coming to this line, so it will become L, this one became F, and this one become CF. C is the same. So first right here n divided by 4 is 15, then comma C is 10 always, then comma F is 12 here. F is 12. So F is 12, then CF is 5. Now substitute in formula. What is the formula for Q1? Is N L plus N divided by 4 minus CF divided by F into C. L is how much here? You can see the L. L is 10. N by 2 plus N by 2 how much? We got 15 here. N by 2 minus CF is 5. Frequency is 12 into 10. 10 plus 15 minus 5, 10 divided by 12 into 10. 10 plus 10 into 10, 100 divided by 12 means 10. Now right here 10 plus 100 divided by 12, 8.33. So total 18.33 is Q1. Now go for Q3. Means upper quartile. Q3, what is the formula for Q3? 3 of n divided by 4. 3 of n how much? 60 divided by 4. 3 of 60 divided by 4 is 15 into 3 means total answer is 45. Where 45 comes in CF, it's coming in 53. So L is this one, frequency 16, CF is 37 now. L is how much? 30 here. Yeah. So I'm writing this here. N 3 of n divided by 4 is 45 and C is 10. Obviously frequency we are getting 16, CF is 37, frequency is frequency we have written L is 30. Now write into the formula L plus 3 of n divided by 4 minus CF divided by F into C. L how much? 30 plus 3 of n by 2 is 45 minus CF how much? 37 divided by F how much? 16 into 10. So 30 plus 45 minus 37, 8 divided by 16 into 10. 30 plus, first you can divide also, no problem, 0.5 will get into 10. 0.5 into 10, Okay, 0.5 into 10, we got 5. 30 plus 5 means 35 is the answer for Q3. Now go with the escape. Escape is skewness of Bowles. Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. Q3 how much? 30. Sorry, 35 plus Q1 how much? 18.33 minus 2 into, what is the median answer we have got here? 26.5. 26.5. So divide by Q3 is 35 minus 18.33. So 35 plus 40, 53. 53.33 minus, we can double this, 40, 52, 53 divided by, and here we have to do 35 minus 18.33. So we got 16.67. Okay, so now which is the highest? This one is the highest, plus values. 0.33 divided by 16.67. 0.3333 divided by 16.67. So we got 0.019 or 0.2 also we can say. Okay, this is the way we can calculate the skewness of Bowles.